Welcome guys, let me just delete the script because this is gonna be my 5th time re-recording this video. So, in this video, I will be explaining on how to send a webhook to Discord. What is webhook? A webhook, how I define it, at least me, I define it like it is a text message sent to a Discord server. That is mostly, you can also use it for logging information, so like, you can use it for a lot of stuff like logging bans, logging kicks, logging. You could also you can do a lot of stuff with webhooks. I think you get a point. Either way, let's get started. So I'm gonna just really sneakily drag this right here. Let me just do that, and we're gonna be making a new webhook. So I'm gonna guide you through the process. So how do I make a new webhook? You go to your server. You press server settings. You now go to integrations. You click create webhook, and now we have a new webhook. And now you click this funky button right here, copy webhook URL, and that is what you need to do for this video. Either way, I'm gonna make a new script in server script service because that's my favorite place to make server scripts, and I'm gonna call it webhook. The code is going to be there's going to be a place file or a place. I'll think about it. I'll probably just publish it and uncopy lock it. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna declare some variables first. So local HTTP is equal to game good service HTTP service. And now, before you do this, go to game settings, go to security, and enable HTTP requests. This will allow for ROBLOX to use the HTTP service, your studio I mean, and it will allow you to send requests to external servers, or yeah, basically send requests. Now we're gonna declare a new variable called local link, and put quotation marks and paste your link right here. This is going to be the link this is your webhook link. Do not share this with anyone. I'm sharing this with you because I'm going to be regenerating it. However, if you do not plan on regenerating your link, please just don't do this. It's just a bad idea overall. And now let's make another variable called local data, and it's data is a table which we'll need to encode in the JSON format. And let's create a new field in data called content, and we're gonna be making the content say have an awesome day. This will be the message that will be sent in our channel. Pretty neat, huh? And now we need to encode the data into JSON format so that Discord servers actually accept the data. So we're gonna make yet another variable, local encoded data is equal to HTTP JSON encode data. This will encode the table data, and it will allow for Discord to parse the data and post it to the text channel. And now there is only the one last step. This was really short, wasn't it? Some people really think this is complicated, but it's not at all. HTTP post async encoded data and link. What this does, this sends a post request to the server, to the Discord server associated with this webhook. It parses this data. If there is no error, it sends the message. If there is an error, it returns it in the dev console. So let's play, and it should all work. I'm pretty sure. I think it should. Trust check failed. Yep. Sorry guys, I think I messed up. It happens to the best of us, doesn't it? I think it's the other way around actually. So this should now work. And I heard the notifications out, so it did work. And as you may see, today at 11:33 p.m., our bot said, or where our webhook said, have an awesome day. Either way, guys, stay safe during the coronavirus situation. And overall, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something from this, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Either way, goodbye. Yeah, have an awesome day or night or whatever.